This is a typical example of a fish smoking kiln. This is a fish smoking kiln that was fabricated by Selection Fish Hub, and let's take you through some of the properties and some of the advantages of this smoking kiln. So we are going to open the kiln now, and if you watch, this kiln have a lot of accessory. It have a lock to bolt the door up, and it have a padlock so that you can, when you load your fish in the smoking kiln, you can go about your business without fear of theft or fear of intrusion by anybody around. So let me quickly take you through the qualities and features of this smoking kiln. This is a typical smoking kiln of 3 feet height and 3 feet width. An extra 1 feet for charcoal pot accommodation. So the kiln have an accommodation of 3 feet for the smoking area and have an extra 1 feet for the charcoal area. Okay, so a total of 4 feet height and 3 feet square meter. Okay, watch, it have a dimension of 3 feet width and 3 feet length this way all around this. So it's 3 feet square smoking kiln, and this smoking kiln was fabricated by Selection Fish Hub with these properties. So this is a fish smoking kiln, and it's not like the normal regular oven. So one of the major characteristics and difference between a smoking kiln and an oven is, one, the smoking kiln have 2 metal plates with a insulator at the middle of the metal plate. So when you look at this smoking kiln, you observe that there is 1 metal plate here, yes, and another metal plate here, okay, with a thickness of 1 inch, and in between this thickness of 1 inch there is a laden element in between it. We laden this smoking kiln with rice dust, and one of the essence and one of the importance and what we try to achieve by laden this thing is to insulate heat from coming out from the surface area of the kiln to the outside surface. So what you find out in this kiln is, when you smoke your fish, you can easily place your hand by the side of the kiln without feeling any heat or burn while the fish are actively smoking inside the kiln. So this kiln was fabricated with the essence and with the qualities of, one, you smoke your fish without having fear of burn or having to constantly turn your fish. So this is the advantage of this smoking kiln, because when you pay a closer look at it, you observe that the charcoal trays are by the side of the kiln. Okay, this is one charcoal pot and this is another charcoal pot. And when you observe, this smoking kiln was fabricated with solid material. This smoking kiln was formed with 18 gauge metal pan. That is the pan we use for fabricating this smoking kiln, and we are fabricated with 1 inch angle bar and 1 inch square pipe. So that is the major component of this kiln, and all of them are of all high quality. They are the thick quality of this particular pan and all this iron steel. So when you look at closer look at this smoking kiln, you observe that you have the advantage of smoking your fish without fear of burn, without fear of always constantly turning or theft or whatever. You know, we fabricated this smoking kiln to be energy friendly. We did not fabricate this smoking kiln with gas or light, because these are the major challenges we are facing in the country currently. So we fabricated this smoking kiln with charcoal as the energy source. So you find out that you don't have fear of whether electricity. This smoking kiln can be used in remote area, it can be used in an urban area. And one of the advantages after smoking your fish is going to be of export standard. You don't need to have fear of inflation of fish with pyroxene due to the carbon or whatever smoke content, because the coal is just going to heat gradually while it dries the fish gradually, and within a period of 10 to 12 hours you have your fish properly smoked to that standard that is fit for export. Okay, so when if you need this smoking kiln and you wish to fabricate this smoking kiln, you can send us a DM or call us on phone. We fabricate such smoking kiln for you. It was just done manually by Selection Fish Hub. So this is a technology that I recommend for our fish farmers all over the world, especially this period of high feed price. You can go into fish processing and packaging to maximize profit and to make profit out of fish farming. And also this is going to help you to accommodate all areas of the aquaculture industry, because you're not just going to sell your fish fresh, you're also going to have a variety of smoking your fish and selling also, and it's going to attract higher value when you smoke your fish. So thank you and God bless you.
Start.